open. Bring your palms together at the heart center. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, mindful breath in. Feel the presence of this moment. With each inhale, invite grace. With each exhale, release what no longer serves you. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply, receive calm, receive light. Exhale slowly, soften, surrender, let go. One more time. Inhale, feel your spirit rise. Exhale, feel yourself grounded, safe, and present. You are here now, fully, wholly. Let this be your time to reconnect with your spirit, to honor your breath, your body, and your journey. Stretch your arms up toward the sky. Feel the length in your spine. Feel yourself reaching beyond. As you exhale, gently bend your knees. Slowly bring your hands down in front of you, then sweep them behind your back. Straight and steady, reaching with purpose. Feel the strength in your legs, the openness in your chest, and the stillness in your heart. Breathe here. Let this posture reflect balance between effort and ease, between grounding and expansion. Now gently turn your body to face the front of your mat. As you exhale, slowly begin to fold your upper body forward. Let the movement come from these hips. Now bring your right hand across to reach your left ankle and extend your left arm up toward the sky, twisting gently from the spine. Let's switch sides. Let your gaze follow your lifted hand or close your eyes and just feel. Enjoy the stretch, slow, deep, and nourishing. You're not forcing, you're simply allowing your body to open the release. Breathe into it and stay connected. Now gently bring your feet a little wider than hip width apart and begin to lower your hips down into a Malasana pose. Bring your hands to the heart center. Use your elbows to gently press your knees open. As we come to an end of our practice, slowly lower yourself down to the mat. Find a comfortable cross-legged seat. Sit tall through your spine. Ground yourself in the present moment. Honor your inner power and peace. Left hand behind you, grounding you. Let's do the same on the other side. Turn your body to the right and let your right hand rest behind you for support. Breathe deeply here. Feel the gentle twist, opening your back and shoulders, releasing tension with every breath. As you hold this pose, feel your strength, feel your grounding. Breathe into this twist. Feel gratitude for your body and breathe. For this time you gave yourself today. When you're ready, return to center. Bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes and take a final deep breath in and out. Thank yourself for showing up, for being present, and for honoring your journey. Namaste.